Welcome to MJS channel. Today, I want to show you how to install and adjust router Mercosys AC190. Let's go straight to the tutorial, guys. This is the shape of the router! Guys! On the back side, there is a reset button. Press and hold the reset button until the LED flashes. After flashing like this, the router has been reset to factory settings. After that, you connect your laptop or cell phone to the router. Guys, you can log in with the password behind the router, guys. After that, open Google Chrome. Visit mwlogin.net. Here you are asked to create a password for now or next time to log in. Guys, make sure the password is strong and easy to remember, guys. Enter the password confirmation 2, guys. Tick I accept. Click Let's get started. Select your time zone, guys. Choose the time zone that suits your country, guys. Then, select Next. Internet port disconnected, which means we have to connect the internet cable. Guys, you plug it into the WAN port. Guys, on this new router. Guys, if I'm on the ground floor, the signal is bad. That's why I added new router. At the end of cable 1, we connect it to the master router from the provider. Guys, this master router is upstairs, guys. The new router is downstairs, guys. After that, like this, you select the wireless menu. Guys, in this menu, you can create a network name and password according to your wishes. Guys, here the 2.4 gigahertz. I named Unit 17, down. And I will change the password too. Guys, I changed it to be like this, guys. The 5G network too. I will change the name, guys. I changed the network name to Unit 17_5G, guys. For the password, I will make it the same as before. Guys, after finishing setting the network name and password, you click Next, guys. Operation succeeded. Okay, now let's try to log in the network, guys. Okay, let's look for the name of the network we created earlier, guys. This one, guys. Tick for connect automatically, guys. Enter the password we created earlier, guys. Click OK. Okay, guys, that's how to install and set up the Mercosys AC190 router. I hope it helps. Because you have visited my channel, I say thank you, guys. Watch my other videos, guys. Thank you.